Hello everyone, welcome to 16-bit Stack. My name is Luis, and today I bring a tip to you to work using SonarCloud and have multiple modules inside your project, okay? Previously, I bring to you how to use SonarCloud, how to use in a single project and also in a single project, but doing a little bit trick, or let's say in Brazil you say gambiarra or workaround to generate the report or generate the sonar completely. Today I bring to you how to configure your project in order to get successful in your SonarCloud. Even you have 2, 3, 4 or any models inside your project. Okay, so let's go to this video. This will be a shorter video, but it will be very useful when you have to work using multiple models inside your project. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so let's go to the code. This is, as I said before, will be a shorter video today, but very useful. Try to condensate this one and see what happened. Okay, so in this screen I have one commit because I had a problem regarding the SonarCloud. Okay, so what happened in this case here? Let's see the problem. If you work it, okay. Now I have the build with Maven. No. Now I have one problem. Sorry. Let's go faster and faster. This is the problem. Okay, this is the problem on the step to build and analyze. Sometimes when you have the SonarCloud configured in your project, maybe you're facing with this kind of problem here. The project is, in this case, the Spring project, have 2 or maybe 3 or whatever models with the following key. Okay, so how to tackle this problem, how to overcome this problem is very interesting. Now we have here the POM XML file, the configuration. The configuration should be, well, a lot of configuration, and so now I have its configuration for this project. Okay, it's normal, and then for each new model or whatever, I need to one model or whatever, I just need to add this sonar project key. Okay, with using the project key, Sonar will be aware we have one more model. It will be analyze this one in this project. Let's say here, let's open again on GitHub. In this case, let's see how fast they are in this project in repositories. This is a 16-bit Spring. Okay, and then go to the Spring, and now we have here the quality gate failed. Okay, that's fine because I even add some tests to this project. Okay, so if you go to the code of this project, you can see the both models, and now you can have 3 or 4 or whatever models you want. But just remember, back to the project here, and we just need to add this property here inside the POM of each model. That's it, and you avoid this error regarding the Maven. Oh, sorry, the analyze, and sorry, let's go. Yes, this error, this kind of error here. Okay, obviously you can have another approach, or you can have another ways to fix them, but this I guarantee for you is working and work well. Okay, so for today that's it, and see you on next video on next topic.